So today at Blue Ridge Dribbling Gear, we are taking a look at our Air Tools Mesh Packing Cube. So basically what this is it's a mesh packing cube. Triple run, so it actually matches the webbing on the back of the Air Tools bag or any of the other stuff. So it'll actually fit a seat panel, fit all kinds of fun stuff. Again, a couple little Grimlocks, we'll show you that in a second. And basically what you're looking at is a mesh bag, bam, open it up. It'll hold 1, 2, 3, FUD squirrel, 4 life-size squirrels. So you can get basically 4 1/4 life-size squirrels in this, right? Oh no, 5 1/4, 5 1/4 life-size squirrels. So it's a pretty decent sized bag, holds quite a bit. So from there, the other thing it will do is it will tame stuff like, the IndeFlate kit or just general air hose stuff, because air hoses take up a lot of room, right? So, and they're kind of gangly when they're in your bag and they're kind of in the way. So this gives us a way to put it in here. If we get it wet, if we're airing down at the beach or we're airing down in the rain or in the mud, it gives us a place to put it where the mesh is going to let it dry out, so we don't sustain moisture inside here. It's also going to keep it outside the bag. And when it's on the bag, all you have to do is clip the G-hooks to it. And basically you go from a 2-section bag, right? So you go from a bag that has 1, 2 openings to an actual 3rd opening. So you kind of daisy chain this together. So basically this whole thing will come together like that. So the Air Tools bag will fit in there, be deflator kit, whether you leave it in the box, you unpack it. I keep a large size pressure gauge in here so I can see the numbers without my glasses if I need to. Plus it's a low pressure, so I can read down to 4 or 5 pounds without a giant fight. But it gives me the ability to keep all this stuff together and open it up and lay it flat. So if I'm on the trail and I need something, bam, I can grab each piece without any trouble, or I can zip it up and I can walk away with everything in one handy little kit. And the other thing that I think is kind of neat about this, if you sort of have one of these wild, these wild coiled hoses, I mean, there's enough room in here that I can actually fit that in on top of the IndeFlate kit. If I've got added hose or I've got a different kind of connector, it'll all fit in this bag. It'll all fit in this bag without a giant fight, right? So as far as it goes, like, I can keep a lot of stuff between these 2 bags. I can kit for about any situation that I'm going to need air for. I can keep it all together. I know what it is. I can grab it. I can identify this one's easy. It's got blue on the front. Bam. I put a label on it if I want to, so I know exactly what it is. Put your name tape on there or miscellaneous patches because it's got a piece of Velcro across the front. The stuff that's getting wet or the stuff that would potentially get nasty from being in the mud and stuff like that is kept on the outside of the bag in the mesh, so it dries and it doesn't get the rest of my stuff wet. So I can kind of keep all that stuff compartmentalized. Really handy way to deal with your Air Tools stuff and things like that. So this is the mesh Air Tools bag kind of add-on to the regular Air Tools kit. I think that's all the fun I've got for today. Thanks for taking the time to stop by and check it out. You can find all this stuff at blueridgeoverlandgear.com, and we will see you next time.